Hey everybody, and welcome to Open Source Tonight. I'm Vincent, and today I wanted to talk about this. This is the Raspberry Pi. So you just get this out of the box, and you want to know how to be able to do a headless boot up on it with Linux. Let's dive into it. First things first, you're going to want to go to the Raspberry Pi website at raspberrypi.org. Then go over to the downloads page and download the Raspberry Pi Imager software. Once you do that, you can open this software up, take your SD card and plug it into the computer, and then take that SD card and download and write an image of the Raspberry Pi OS to it. Now the next step is to take that SD card and open up the boot partition on your machine. We want to make a new file called SSH. Just make it a blank file. Could be a text file with no extension, so that's SSH all lowercase. Create that file in the root of the boot partition, and then plug it into your Raspberry Pi and connect it to the Ethernet network. And there you go. You should be able to look up the IP address on your network of the Raspberry Pi and SSH into it. Voila! Headless Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Open Source Tonight. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Very quick one. Talk to you again very soon.